Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you EufyCam E220 versus EufyCam C220. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about resolution. The E220 provided 1080p SD resolution and C220 provided 2K 1440p SD resolution. So T220 is better. Now let's look at the field of view. E220 provided 140 and C220 provided 125 field of view. So E220 is better. Now let's look at the battery life. E20 provided 365 days battery life and C20 provided 180 days battery life. So E20 is better. Now let's look at the video storage. E20 provided local storage via home base and it is also provided by C20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the audio night vision. E20 provided two-way audio and it is also provided by C20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the night vision. Yes, 33-bit night vision is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the weather resistance. IP67 waterproof resistance is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the smartphone compatibility. iOS Android is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the AI detection. Yes, human detection is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of A20 is generally lower and the price of C20 is higher due to 2K resolution. So A20 is better for budget friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.